Here is the mobile app for Navy Federal Credit Union. This is the app. That's just a mobile app for this bank. It has 450,000 ratings on App Store. It's a pretty good app, and out of all these 100,000 ratings, 4.9 average rating. It's like pretty rare for a financial app to have that. And then you can just see some screenshots how it looks like. Check-ins and savings every day. You can just add your accounts. You can see your loans and credits. You can see some certificates. You can see a current balance and all of that. So bank easy with the Navy Federal mobile app is a great look and feel. We have made the mobile app easier to find information on your accounts and transactions. Breeze through payments, transfers, and check deposits with just a few taps. Quickly sign in using Touch ID, Face ID. Apply for a new account, become a member, or find your closest ATM or branch. Safe and secure. View balances without signing in user widget. Pay people using Zala. So let's just open it up. It allows you notifications. And then, you can just sign in here. Usually on these banking apps, you can't create an account right in the app. You need to do it either on the website. It's quite conservative all the time in this financial app. So then here you have sign in. So from here, you can just record a password, but then you can just join and then just tap join, and then you can create an account here. And then just go through the and then you can just tap continue, and then so that's basically the idea, what you can do, and then how you can create an account. You can always reach out to their support here. There are some support articles as well, but I think this is obviously like US bank, so I think you will need like social security number to properly create an account there, and that's the idea.